All right, how you doing, guys? This is going to be a shower head install, and I'm going to install it right here. And first and foremost, you need to go ahead and take this old tape off. Hopefully, you have the tape, some old tape to take off, because it's good to use that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we got the tape off, and now we're gonna go ahead and put on some new tape. Probably remember this from the last video. For those who didn't see my last video about installing the faucet on in my other bathroom, you go ahead and check the description, and I'll put the link below. Okay. So I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna have my namesake son videotape. So if it's really down low, you know why. Okay. All right, here we go. So go ahead and start the tape. Roll it around. You want to kind of catch the first piece, so you can continue going around. Oh, it's caught. So you just roll it, smooth out, so next time it's easy to take off when you're changing out the shower head. Not really sure. Put it down in the comments how often you should change your shower head, guys. Put it down in the comments how often you should change your shower head. I'm not really sure if there's a time period. I know you're supposed to change your mattress every so often, but I don't know how often you should change your shower head. Okay? All right, next piece is coming up. Do a nice quick unboxing. I know y'all could tell that my namesake did that because how low the last one was. Here's the directions. You don't need those stinking directions. Put it down in the comments, guys, if you actually follow directions on the things like this. So we're gonna go ahead and just look at it and figure it out. So we're gonna take this part right here and twist this part off. It's probably just like a little cap. Yep. And then we're gonna go and put it probably right here, right? Yep. Nope, that's not where that goes. Maybe we should read the directions. Okay. So I'm gonna mute this part right here. All right, here we go. So we have this shindig is off. So we believe that this portion right here, it's gonna go here. Let's go take that out. Oh, it screws out. Take that portion. So that is the water. This little washer in, little rubber washer, probably is their water flow control valve. Water flow control controls the flow of the water. So if it's not hard enough, I'm gonna take that out. So then you have this side over here, and this connects to this over here. This is the outlet. This is the inlet. This is the inlet where we're gonna connect that to the there's another water flow piece in there. This is where the water comes in. This is where the water comes out into the shower head. So we're gonna go ahead and connect that. Again, if you've been doing the shower heads for a while, you kind of do the same thing over and over again. Now, well, let me tell you something. This is something I messed up on. I should have actually put tape on here. So in the next clip, you're gonna see tape on here. All right.
Get started.
All right, so we got the white tape on there. We did that off camera. And go ahead and connect that on top. Go ahead and twist it down. Hand tighten it pretty good. Oops. Make sure you don't cross thread. That's one thing you don't want to do. You're gonna mess up the seal. There you go. Then you make sure you go ahead and hand tighten it. Really good. If it's a little tape showing, that's okay. You just want to hand tighten it. You don't want to strip it. So we got the directions right here. See if we did it right. Nope, we don't need that. All right, and we're ready to connect. We have the shower head and we have the inlet portion of for the water, and this is where this hangs up right here in the shower, like so, like that, and then we're good to go. All right, next. All right, so we're at the next portion where we're gonna go ahead and twist this around. We should have probably left this off until we got this part, but let's see if how it works out. So we're gonna go ahead and try to one-hand it. And one hand is not gonna work. Make sure you don't cross thread. Keep twisting it, take your time. There's no rush, there is no time limit. You just want to go ahead and hand tighten it down. Okay. Go ahead, tighten it down. That's pretty much head tighten. There's like a little joint in here to twist around. So when I thought I was twisting it, it actually wasn't twisting it anymore. But there we go. Let me see, twist it one more time. Oops. Nope. Okay. So there we go. Then we have all this. We have to untwine because we did all that twisting with the cord. You see with the shower head on there, and we have action. So let's go ahead and test it out. Next clip. So hopefully my son is getting this, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna twist this knob right here to turn the water on, and then we're gonna watch for leaks. So the water is now on this high pressure. I'll put the name in the description where I got it from. But you just go ahead and check for leaks. I don't feel any water. The only water should come out is from right here after I press the button. My son is not looking at the right thing. And make sure, okay. So this is the button right here, the valve. Make sure it's pointed away from you. And there we go. Okay. So now, you're supposed to have multiple functions on this. So I think you just twist it. No, it's not how to do it. Oh, it's a little doohickey over here. There's multiple, I think it's 3 functions. So it's this function, which is the, oh, you can't really see it too good. Let me get that. Wish I had like a different color in the background. So it's like a shower function. It's like the shooting, this is the jet function. And then this is the high power function. And I'm gonna tell you, I'm not really super impressed outside of this button right here. That's the only thing I'm really impressed with is that button. Yeah, so I don't know. This is kind of a review video as well. I might have to take those flow restrictors out. That's what they're called, flow restrictors. Those black kind of rubber washers. If I take those out, that might increase the flow of the water. But put it down in the comments, guys. What do you think I should do? Put it down in the comments, okay? If you have any questions, put it down in the comments. And comment on everything else that you heard. This is the good shower, high pressure, supposedly high pressure. So there you go. My son wanted to say something. I'm not letting you guys see what he looked like, but he can talk. Go ahead.
And we out.